lavalava from beautiful Samoa. Welcome to another live broadcast with Samoa Tourism. Today we're here at the Tano Tusitala Hotel, located just minutes away from Apia's central business district. Before we move on, don't forget to like and follow Samoa Tourism's Facebook and Instagram page so you don't miss out. Let's talk about sarong or ia lavalava in Samoan. The ia lavalava has been a popular formal dress in Samoa since at least the 1800s. Indigenous form of cloth such as siapo or bark cloth were worn around the waist, and skirts and overskirts made from various plant fibers were also in use. Now, with the introduction of soft, light fabric, it has become a daily and casual thing to wear by both men and women. This rectangular piece of clothing serves many purposes. You can wear it around the house, to sleep, to the beach, during family gatherings, cleaning, and especially serving food. This is part of our culture, giving respect to the guests and elders of your family. When you have the chance to visit beautiful Samoa, this is an essential item to have on you, and you can purchase it from our local markets and stores. The lavalava comes in an array of vibrant colors and is ideal for tropical Samoan weather and breeze.
Before we show you different ways that you could possibly tie your lavalava, if you have one at home, grab it and we will try it together. Ladies, this is for you. The first way that we will try today is wrapping it around your waist. So you get your lavalava and wrap it around. Then tie it, tuck it in at the side to hold it in. Just like this. Even if you want it shorter, you can roll it up and wrap it around you and tuck it in the same way. Like this. This is usually how we wear our lavalava in Samoa if we're doing our chores or just staying at home. And the third way that you can wear your lavalava around your waist is to tie it on the side. Roll it up, bring the two ends to the side, and tie a double knot. Now, let's go to the beach.
Second way of tying your ia lavalava is to hold it widthways. Then you bring the ia lavalava behind you, grab both ends, just like this, making sure that both sides are equal. With one hand, hold it, pull it towards your chest. Then you divide right in the middle and you twist it, like so. And with this piece of material, goes towards the back. Now, if you're flexible enough, you can tie it yourself. But if not, you can ask for assistance. Now, with the material that's underneath your vest, grab it and spread it right underneath. Bring it to the top, like so. Making sure that it's supporting everything. And just fix the bottom, and then you're ready to go.
The third way is wear it or tie it on your shoulder. For this style, you hold your lavalava lengthways, and you might need someone to assist you with this one. You wrap it around you, under one arm, over one shoulder, and tie it in a knot. And then you tie another knot to hold the side. You can do the waist like this to make it look like a belt. And there you go. You can tie as many knots as you want all the way down if you want to hold up the two pieces together. This is like a casual, formal way of tying your lavalava. You can even wear it to a party.
Fourth way of tying your lavalava is hold it widthways and then fold it in half like this, and then have both ends, tie them together and do another double tie to secure it. And you should end up with something like this. So what you need to do is to bring this, your lavalava, behind you, like so. Once you have it here, you can either wear it as a beach cardigan or bring both sides of the material like this, but this you'll need a buckle. This comes very handy. So just put that one through and thread the other side through the buckle like so, and then all you need to do is just tuck it in. Like so. And there you have it. You can wear this to the beach or a formal fifia night, yeah, a beach party or dinner.
And the last way that we will be showing you today is tying it halter neck or around your neck or over the neck. You bring the two ends together in the front and cross it over each other like this. So what you can do, you can either tie it straight, tie it in a knot like this, or you can twist the two ends like this, and then you tie it at the back. Make sure it is tight enough to hold up your lavalava, but not too tight that it might choke you. And the last way is you're going to need a buckle, a coconut shell buckle. So you bring the two ends to the front, put one end through the other side of the buckle, pull it down, and do the same with the other side, like this. Pull the two ends together, tighten it up. You can either just leave it like this, or you can also wear it around your neck. There you have it. Lavalava is very suitable for our tropical weather here in this beautiful tropical island, Samoa. Hope you have enjoyed and you have learned how to tie your lavalava in these different ways. And hopefully, next time you're on island, you can tie your lavalava yourself in these ways. But for now, let me hand the time over to Maria.
And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed trying out 5 ways to tie a sarong or ear lavalava. Remember to follow and like Samoa Tourism on Facebook and Instagram for more exciting fortnightly live broadcasts to come. See you next time. So fa se fo.